Commercial vehicle insurance in India. 5 things you should know before buying commercial vehicle insurance. Some agents might give you 250 rupees discount in your policy by removing third-party property damage cover from 7.5 lakh to 6,000 rupees. This is not a significant coverage at the time of claims and can lead to financial losses for insured. IMT23 provides coverage for front headlight, fender, tires, paint and front bumpers, which are generally excluded from the normal insurance policies. Always opt for liability coverage for paid driver, which comes for just 50 rupees and can help get your driver a good claim amount at the time of accident. If the owner of the vehicle has a valid driving license and does not have any other personal accident insurance plan with sum insured equal to or more than 15 lakh, you can opt for personal accidental cover with sum insured of 15 lakh in this policy. If you have CNG kit installed, make sure this is clearly mentioned in your policy copy and the liability premium has been paid for CNG. Please mention it to your agent.
If you have liked this video, you can help us by buying policy from us for your commercial